We just finished up this 2021 Suburban with the Z71 package. This truck does not have the air ride suspension or magnetic ride suspension. This is the standard strut. This has our kit in it. We did 2 inches in the rear and 2.5 inches in the front. It has a 285/75 R17 on it. We used a set of Toyo Open Country MTs on this. It's like a 34.4 tire size. To get this to clear, we go back in here in the fender liner. We've got a pull back here. You can see it clears here in the back. We trim down here at the bottom, but we try to keep it look as factory. We pull back the fender right here with a bracket behind here to pull the liner back, and then up here in the front, all we do is the liner down here in the bottom right here. There's actually a bolt that's in the bottom down here of the liner. You can see the bolt right here, right down here. And what we do is we take the bolts out, we slide the liner forward, and then we repin it, so that makes room for that. So this is a Method 309, and it is in a 17 by 8.5. So if you have any questions on this setup, feel free to reach out to us. Just wanted to show you. Actually, I'll share the rear with you as well, how we do the back. This is a preload collar. It actually sits there on the strut assembly down at the bottom. We disassemble the strut assembly, we drop the collar down on there, then we put the spring back together and reassemble it here in the back of the truck, so it still has a really nice ride. And we are going to offer this in a hard anodized black finish, so you can't even see it, but this one here is actually a non-finished one for our customer. So hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions on any of this stuff, feel free to reach out to us about it, and we're happy to answer. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.